are playing this game called Slendy Monkeys. Whoa. It looks like it might be like an actual scary horror game, dude. This looks scary so far. You know, like not a terrifying scary yet, but it still looks scary. You know? Like, you know what I'm saying? I bet the monsters in this game are gonna make me piss myself. That's what I'm thinking, bro. I think everybody's over there because I think we have name tags like in Gorilla Tag. Yeah, I see someone walking, unless that's like a mimic kind of monster in this game. I can like mimic people, make it look like someone's walking. I don't know what this game is. I'm gonna go follow him. Now I can't see him. Now I can't again. Hey! Hey! Hey, don't ignore me. That's a boy. Whoa, whoa. Pot of stew. Got a pot of stew, man. Another pot of stew, man. Let's go. Oh my god, what is that thing? Oh my god! That thing looks like a cursed Teletubby. Oh my god! Help! I'm gonna pee myself! What is that thing? Oh my god, guys. Help. Help me. Help. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have a lot of skill from G-Tag. I know how to run fast, so that's why it's like so far behind me, but I'm still terrified of it. You want to see how it looks? Oh my god! I didn't know it could climb. Oh my god. I about had a heart attack, dude. Oh my god. Do you see that thing? That thing could make you poop all over your walls, dude. No, but for real, look at that thing. Oh my god, it's chasing me. Of course, it just has to chase me out of every person in this lobby. Has to chase me. Huh?
Not even chasing you.
Bro. God. I just got killed by it. It's my first time playing this game, so I've had a heart attack. Wait, why are we Teletubbies? What the? Why do we look like Teletubbies? No, that thing's terrifying. Bro, I about had a heart attack when it jump scared me. Because I didn't know it could climb. So I went on a rock and surprise, surprise, it could climb. Oh, you're hugging him. Oh, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Chill, you freaking cursed Teletubby. Oh wait, I could change my name.
Nope.
And not right now. I honestly don't care about my name that much right now.
It's just Christmas.
Oh my god. I about had a heart attack, dude. That thing is terrifying. What?
I'm getting it. Oh, I found it. It's right here.
Put it in my...
How do we not get that one? Yo.
Why are we in a big plane?
I have no idea.
I'm recording along for me.
Do you know what I was thinking?
I'm recording along
Look at
for
my
my YouTube channel.
That's not custom.
It's actual video instead of short.
He's right there.
I want to be white.
I'm playing this game called like Slendy something.
Do you know how to change color?
So we'll go back to playing. Okay. I hope we do not come across that monster again.
Yeah.
What?
And bro, look, bro, far when we're far, like a bit far to her, it looks like she have no shape and it's kind of orange.
Oh. Yo, the monster that I was getting chased by, yo, I was literally terrified when it jump scared me. Like, I'm not even joking, because I didn't know it could climb, so I went on top of, like, that rock right there.
It could climb, bro!
Like, it just jump scared me, and I was like, whoo! Like, I had a heart attack when it jump scared me.
Bro, come here, bro, come here.
Okay, I'm going to this tower. Where did the tower go? The tower disappeared behind the rocks.
I'm gonna clap your cheeks. Come here, turn around, little boy.
You just heard that, bro.
Where's that tower? I found it again. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna go to the tower. Oh yeah, and I'm at the tower. I'm with the cool kids. Can I slide? Oh, you can slide. Not for very long though. I just wish I wasn't sticking to the ground and I could actually see, you know, jump. At least I could become Spider-Man. I could become Spider-Man. Wow. Well, that might be all for today, but I don't know. I might go to the next map in the next video, so bye.